provide web-based software all around sort of improving efficiency across different departments within the business. We have a very, very technical product, and the challenge with dealing with that is always being able to get a succinct message to potential customers to give them an understanding of what it is that we do. I first came across Bigtank on LinkedIn. Everybody at the team was really, really helpful, from kind of point of sale through to the kind of creative discussions on to post-production. The entire process was really, really very fluid. I think we've come to the conclusion that video is a really fantastic medium for us to use. Within a very, very short space of time, we've clocked up tens of thousands of views on the one that's been done already. For us, getting eyes on the product, getting eyes on the company is a massive win for us, and video seems to be a really fantastic way for people to digest a lot of information in a very short space of time, so we'll definitely be doing more. It was very refreshing working with the team at Bigtank because they really did challenge our ideas. Yes, the quality was fantastic. Yes, the process was efficient, but I think the more important thing was that they were able to take this kind of very high level idea that we had and focus us to get the desired end result. It was that awareness of what it was that we were trying to do makes every pound that we spent with them absolutely worthwhile.